remember when Ron Paul mentioned about how the uninsured, well, look, if they're about to die and they don't have insurance, tough luck to them. Here, this is what happened during the debate. Let's watch.
Let me ask you this hypothetical question. A healthy 30-year-old young man has a good job, makes a good living, but decides, you know what, I'm not going to spend $200 or $300 a month for health insurance because I'm healthy, I don't need it. But, you know, something terrible happens, all of a sudden he needs it.
My advice to him would have a major medical policy, but not before.
But he doesn't have that. He doesn't have it, and he needs intensive care for 6 months. Who pays?
That's what freedom is all about, taking your own risk. This whole idea that you have to prepare and take care of everybody.
But, Congressman, are you saying the society should just let him die?
No.
Well, it turns out that was not a hypothetical question. The former campaign chairman for Ron Paul's presidential run in 2008 was a guy named Kent Snyder. And he did not have insurance. I'm going to tell you why in a second. He was 49-year-old, and he had complications from pneumonia. Well, he didn't have the insurance, and the bills ran up to $400,000, and he didn't have the money, and he died. Apparently, Ron Paul has learned nothing from that, or if he has, he thought, well, Kent made a decision, and he's dead for it. Too bad for him. And Ron Paul has said over and over again how he owes everything to Kent Snyder in terms of getting that campaign up and running. He's the guy on the left there. And that he started it with his small laptop in his small apartment in Arlington, Virginia, and eventually grew to a $35 million campaign in 2008. He is now dead because he did not have insurance. By the way, afterwards, the hospital then turned around and put that $400,000 bill on his mom and said, you got to pay it. And she's still trying to figure out what to do with it. So why didn't he have insurance? Well, his sister told the Kansas City Star he had a pre-existing medical condition, and the private insurance companies wouldn't give it to him. So, how do you like that for freedom? Ron Paul's response, clip number 9. Sometimes freedom isn't free. Sometimes it kills your campaign manager, and then you go, so what? That's life in the big city. If that's your idea of how our president should react to people in trouble in this country, okay, then you're with Ron Paul. That's a bit much for me.